Hello and a warm welcome from the Naffy, my Armed Forces themed man cave. I've already done a few reviews of this lovely thing, the Bartesian Premium Cocktail Making Machine, and I just wanted to sort of give you a few tips on how to get the best from it. If you're not already aware, it's like a little coffee pod machine. You put that in. I'm not going to dwell on it because I've done a review if you're interested in seeing how it works. Now, when I first got it, it was expensive. I decided almost not to buy it until Christmas, and then Amazon did a 34% off, so I bought it. It didn't leave me a lot of money left over for the spirits, of which there are 5 technically. So initially, I bought these sort of things. So Amazon, Morrison's, all sorts. They do various cheap alcohol. I'm buying this stuff from branded places or well-known places with all the horror stories of corner shops selling cheap booze, only to find out it's got God knows what in it. So it occurred to me, okay, it's cheap, but that's fine because I like a gin and tonic. If you're going to put gin in and you're going to water it down with tonic, well, I guess it doesn't really matter so much if you've got premium gin or not. But if you're having a premium cocktail, it makes sense to make the whole thing premium. So they've pre-mixed everything, but you've still got to provide the alcohol. So these things, I mean, tequila is pretty much tequila, isn't it? No, it isn't. I've done a bit of research and found out that there are tequilas that are good for things like margaritas. So this is the one that I'm currently using. And I've done the same with the rest. So I'm told that the sort of golden rums and tequilas are better. This one is a premium vodka. I've got some Gordon's gin. I've also got some other gins available, but they're flavoured gins. And not being rude, but if they've gone through all the effort of making that a premium mix, then I don't want to change it. So okay, so now we've got the premium drinks with premium spirits. What else? Well, I know it sounds a bit daft, but you're going to put ice cubes in it. So for me, I use these things. So this is the Maxtor, whatever they call them. But basically, I filter the water. You can buy commercial water, but God knows where that comes from. And we're in Thames water area, which is a hard water area, and it's not that good. So water tastes a bit bitter. So I filter the water and then I produce ice cubes. Well, how do you do that? I bought myself an ice cube making machine, which I've reviewed here. If that's a bit out of your price range or you just want to do it on a cheap, these things are quite useful. You literally got a little valve down here. You pour the water in from the tap or from preferably a filtered source, and then put that in the freezer, wrap it up, and you get yourself some ice cubes. Nice and easy. What else? Well, presentation. So we have an air fryer. If you've got an air fryer, I'm not sure if you know, but you can dehydrate things. So we've dehydrated some fruits and some other bits and pieces. I also keep the pods in a little chiller. I don't think it's necessary, but it is going to increase the shelf life, so I'm told. These things, so I get fed up trying to get lemons and limes to get my margaritas. If you like a margarita, my favourite's margarita, I like the plain one generally, then these things are kind of helpful, again on Amazon. And I guess the last thing to do is presentation. So partly you've got all these little accessories and things, fine, but the right glass. When you put a pod in that thing, it tells you what glass to put it in. And it says things like lowball glass, highball glass. I don't know about you, but I don't really know what they are. Bartesian do the glasses too, and if like me you subscribe to the pods, you actually get them at 50% off. And I love the fact that they present them in these boxes, so they really are nicely presented. So if you've got someone that's got a Bartesian, then give them a Prezi. These things are brilliant, and they cost in about a £5 each when you subscribe, so that's pretty good too. The rest of it I guess is common sense really. And basically, the only thing I would say negative about this thing is that we don't have that many cocktail pods over here in the UK. I think it's about 20 in the UK. There's about 80 in America, for example. So that's it from the man cave. Can't have a cocktail because it's early in the morning over here. But that's it. So get yourself some premium drinks if you can afford it, with premium spirits, some nice presentation, and I think you'll find that even though it may not taste substantially different, it does improve the cocktail. So that's it, over and out from the naffy, and I'll drink that. Well, I will later.